The objective within this lesson is to explore part-to-whole relationships. The piece shown is only 1/3 of the whole. Complete the ribbon. What would you do? There's 2/3. There's 3/3. So that's the whole ribbon. One-third, 2/3, 3/3, where we started with 1/3 of the whole. Here we're told that the piece shown is 4/5 of the whole. So 4/5 of the whole. There's 4 parts there. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. To complete the ribbon, I would just add another 5th. So now I have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. I have a whole. Here, 1/3 of A is equal to all of B. So ribbon A is into thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. There's ribbon A. And ribbon B is 1/3 of that is equal to all of B. So we have A and we have B, where ribbon B is 1/3 of A. Here we have 3 ribbons, C, D, and E. C is half the length of D. E is twice as long as D. Let's start with C being half the length of D. There's C, and D is twice as long because half of D is equal to C. E is twice as long as D. There. E now is twice as long as D. So we have ribbons C, D, and E. Is C half the length of D? Yes. Is E twice as long as D? Yes. Half of Robert's piece of wire is equal to 2/3 of Maria's wire. The total length of their wire is 10 feet. How much longer is Robert's wire than Maria's? Here's Robert's wire to begin with. We'll split that into halves. And then we have Maria's wire, where 2/3 of Maria's wire is equal to a half. So those are the same there. Together, the 2 wire pieces equal 10 feet. Let's split Robert's also into the third and a third, so 2/3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total parts. And we're taking 10 and we divide it by 7, which equals 10/7. So that's the distance there, because all of those are the same. 10/7 longer. Half of Sarah's wire is equal to 2/5 of Daniel's. Chris has 3 times as much as Sarah. In all, their wire measures 6 feet. How long is Sarah's wire in feet? So let's draw a diagram to be able to illustrate this problem. Start with Sarah. And Daniel's. Split it up into fifths. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. So we have 2/5 of Daniel's equaling half of Sarah's. So half of Sarah's right there is equal to 2/5 of Daniel's. Then we also have Chris, which is 3 times as much as Sarah. Gonna have to shrink my diagram. And then one more. Altogether, that's 6 feet. So we have 21 total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 6 feet divided by 21 equals 6/21 feet for each of those boxes. How long is Sarah's wire in feet? That means I take 4 of those 6/21, add them together. That'd be 24/21, which also equals 8/7 feet long, or 1 1/7 feet long.